What's the one tool you actually use more than your phone? For millions, it's a great pocket knife. But with so many options, how do you find the perfect blend of quality, performance, and value without spending fortune? You're the right place. Today, we're breaking down the 10 best EDC knives you can get right now. From budget superstars to premium grails, one of these is your perfect pocket partner. Let's get into it. Number 10. Leatherman Arc. It earns its spot by being the most versatile tool on this list. It transcends the category of a simple knife, functioning as a complete pocket-sized workshop. Its standout feature is a premium, replaceable CPM MagnaCut straight-edge blade, offering edge retention and toughness that rivals dedicated pocket knives. Beyond the blade, it integrates 18 other tools, including best-in-class replaceable wire cutters and a full set of bit drivers. The innovative MagnaCut steel is also used in the hard wire cutters. While its $230 price tag positions it as a premium multi-tool, it justifies the cost by consolidating an entire toolkit into one sleek, magnetic access package. For the engineer, cyclist, traveler, or DIY enthusiast, the Arc eliminates compromise, ensuring you're prepared for virtually any mechanical or cutting task the day throws at you. Number 9. Guardian Tactical Scout. It redefines the out-the-front, ODF, automatic for everyday carry. Moving away from the tactical aesthetic, it presents a slim, refined profile with elegant carbon fiber inlays over a machined aluminum chassis. It fires its LMAX Super Steel blade with a snappy, reliable double-action mechanism that's both fun to use and highly practical for one-handed operation. LMAX steel provides an excellent balance of edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it suitable for real-world use beyond just fidgeting. Priced around $395, it sits at the very top of our budget, but represents the pinnacle of practical automatic knife design. It's for the user who values swift deployment, premium materials, and a discreet yet sophisticated look that doesn't scream tactical in a professional setting. Number 8. Kershaw Iridium. It stands as a towering achievement in value engineering, delivering a knife feel and feature set that aggressively challenges models in the $100 to $150 range. Its 3.4-inch blade is crafted from D2 tool steel, which, while not stainless, is revered for its exceptional wear resistance, allowing it to maintain a working edge far longer than typical budget steels like 8CR13 MOV. The deployment is handled by a supremely smooth Duralock, Kershaw's take on the crossbar lock, which provides easy, ambidextrous opening and a solid, trustworthy lockup without any blade play. The handle isn't just aluminum. It's bead-blasted and anodized 6061. T6 aluminum with extensive chamfering and jimping, providing a secure, comfortable grip that dissipates hand fatigue during prolonged use. For its $60 price, the US-designed Iridium offers a level of refinement, durability, and cutting performance that makes it not just a great budget option, but a legitimate contender as a primary hard-use tool for any enthusiast. Number 7. CRKT Drifter. It has achieved near-mythical status as the definitive gateway drug into quality EDC, a title earned by its shocking performance-to-price ratio. Its magic lies in the IKBS, Icoma Korth bearing system, pivot, a sealed ball bearing assembly that grants the 8CR14 MOV blade an astoundingly smooth, hydraulic-like deployment with just a flick of the thumb stud, an action characteristic of knives 3 times its cost. The fiberglass-reinforced nylon handle, while lightweight, is ergonomically sculpted with a pronounced finger choil and subtle texturing, offering a surprisingly confident grip for precise cutting tasks. At around $30, it serves as the perfect educational tool for new enthusiasts, demonstrating core concepts like blade centering, lockup security, and cutting geometry without any financial risk. It's the one knife experts universally agree on. If you're curious about good knives but skeptical of the cost, the Drifter is your incontrovertible proof of concept. Number 6. Civivi Yonder is a paradigm shift in the budget knife segment, a model that doesn't just offer good value, but actively embarrasses more expensive competitors with its execution. Its crowning glory is the crossbar lock implementation, which rivals Benchmade's famous Axis lock in its snappy, drop-shut smoothness and solid engagement, offering an addictive fidget factor. The blade is a thin, flat ground slice of Nitro V, a nitrogen-based steel that provides superior edge stability, ease of sharpening, and better corrosion resistance than D2 or 8CR steels. The contoured G10 scales are meticulously machined to provide a neutral, comfortable palm swell and exceptional pocket ergonomics. For roughly $60, the Yonder doesn't feel like a budget knife. It feels like a purpose-built cutting tool that happens to be affordable, making it a frequent desert island pick for seasoned collectors who appreciate its no-nonsense efficiency and flawless mechanical tune. Number 5. Zero Tolerance 0117. It is a statement of American manufacturing ambition, a knife where futuristic design meets brute force functionality. Inspired by the faceted angles of stealth aircraft, its handle is machined from solid titanium and overlaid with visually dynamic carbon fiber, creating a lightweight yet immensely rigid structure. The blade steel is CPM MagnaCut, a proprietary Crucible Industries formula considered the holy grail for its ability to be extremely tough, highly wear-resistant, and sufficiently stainless. A combination long thought impossible. The Duralock mechanism, a reinforced frame lock, provides vault-like security, and the entire assembly is finished to exacting tolerances with perfect centering. At around $300, the 0117 caters to the connoisseur for whom a knife is both a daily tool and a piece of functional art, representing the bleeding edge of production knife technology, material science, and aerospace-inspired design philosophy. Number 4. Spyderco Paramilitary 2. It is less of a knife and more of an institution, a cultural touchstone in the EDC world whose design has been relentlessly refined over decades. Its genius is holistic. The leaf-shaped blade in CPM S45VN or S30V offers a continuously curved edge for efficient slicing. The compression lock allows for safe, rapid closure without putting fingers in the blade's path, and the textured G10 handles provide unmatched grip security. What truly cements its legacy is the unparalleled aftermarket support. Owners can customize virtually every component, from titanium scales and anodized hardware to specialized pocket clips and backspacers, creating a truly bespoke tool. Starting around $180, the golden, Colorado-made PM2 is the benchmark for a modern hard-use folding knife, beloved equally by soldiers, tradespeople, and enthusiasts for its uncompromising performance, legendary durability, and endless potential for personalization. Number 3. Benchmade 940 Osborne. It is a modern classic whose reverse tanto profile has become one of the most iconic silhouettes in cutlery. Designed by Warren Osborne, it masterfully combines a fine, reinforced tip for piercing with a broad, useful belly for slicing, typically ground from high-performance CPM S30V or the newer MagnaCut steel. The handle's green anodized 6061 T6 aluminum scales are both lightweight and durable, offering a cool, substantial feel, while the purple anodized aluminum backspacer adds a pop of distinctive color. The heart of the action is Benchmade's patented Axis lock, a dual-spring, ambidextrous mechanism that allows for buttery smooth deployment and easy one-handed closing. Priced around $240 and backed by Benchmade's lifetime Life-Sharp sharpening service. The 940 is an heirloom quality tool, a sophisticated, reliable, and instantly recognizable companion built for a lifetime of dependable service. Number 3. Benchmade 940 Osborne. It is a modern classic whose reverse tanto profile has become one of the most iconic silhouettes in cutlery. Designed by Warren Osborne, it masterfully combines a fine, reinforced tip for piercing with a broad, useful belly for slicing, typically ground from high-performance CPM S30V or the newer MagnaCut steel. The handle's green anodized 6061 T6 aluminum scales are both lightweight and durable, offering a cool, substantial feel, while the purple anodized aluminum backspacer adds a pop of distinctive color. The heart of the action is Benchmade's patented Axis Lock, a dual-spring, ambidextrous mechanism that allows for buttery-smooth deployment and easy one-handed closing. Priced around $240 and backed by Benchmade's lifetime Life-Sharp sharpening service. The 940 is an heirloom quality tool, a sophisticated, reliable, and instantly recognizable companion built for a lifetime of dependable service. Number 1. Kershaw Bel Air. It is a market disruptor, a knife that resets expectations for what $150 can buy by incorporating materials and features from the $300 plus premium segment. Its most significant breakthrough is the use of CPM MagnaCut steel, allowing the user to experience top-tier edge retention and easy maintenance without a luxury price tag. The crossbar lock action is exceptionally well-tuned, providing smooth deployment and a secure lockup with no blade wiggle. The handle, machined from 6061 T6 aluminum and anodized for durability, offers a sleek, refined profile that carries discreetly. As a product of Kershaw's U.S. manufacturing in Tualatin, Oregon, it carries a legacy of quality control. In an era of inflation, the Bel Air represents intelligent value. It's not the cheapest, but it delivers the highest concentration of premium performance and American craftsmanship per dollar, making it the top recommendation for any savvy buyer seeking a forever knife on a realistic budget.